Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Twitch on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to make sure of is that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, it'll simply appear on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, a 4G or 5G icon should appear right next to your mobile network status. The other thing that you must ensure is that your phone is running at least Android 8.0 or higher. For that, head over to About Phone in your settings, hit Software Information and check your Android version. This phone is running Android version number 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can open Play Store through your app drawer search bar. Open up Play Store on your device, hit the search bar, and then simply search for Twitch in the search bar of Play Store. Hit Go or Enter on your keyboard, and then hit Install right next to Twitch. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account before you try and download any app from the Play Store, else you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account, in which you'll have to enter your credentials, and then you'll be able to download any app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.